Hi boys and girls, my name is Mrs. Jarrett. I am your new art teacher here at Kelly Elementary. I'm sad I can't see you in person this year, but I really hope you're having a great school year with Mrs. Miller. She asked me to read a Dr. Seuss book for you today, and before I do so, I'd just like to share a few facts about me. I live in Selinsgrove with my husband, my son Parker, he's almost 2, and our kitty cat named Zero. My favorite art material to work in is clay. I also really like to garden in the summertime and to be outside. The story I chose to read to you today is called Hand, Hand, Fingers, Thumb. I chose this story because my son Parker really likes this story, and he also has a friend, a stuffed monkey that he carries around everywhere named George. So this book is one of my favorites. While I read this story, I'm going to keep a beat on my shoulder because this story has a little bit to do with music, steady beat, and drumming. You could do this with me too on your shoulder so that we don't create too much noise. Hand, hand, fingers, thumb. Hand, hand, fingers, thumb. One thumb, drum, drum, drum. One hand, 2 hands, drumming on a drum. Dum diddy, dum diddy, dum dum dum. Rings on fingers, rings on thumbs. Drum, 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 drum. Monkeys drum and monkeys hum. Hum drum, hum drum, hum drum hum. Hand picks an apple, hand picks a plum. Dum diddy, dum diddy, dum dum dum. Monkeys come and monkeys go. Hands with handkerchiefs. Blow, blow, blow. Hello, Jack. Hello, Jake. Shake hands, shake hands. Shake, shake, shake. Bye-bye, Jake. Bye-bye, Jack. Dum diddy, whack, whack, whack. Hands play bangos, strum, strum, strum. Hands play fiddles, zum, zum, zum. Dum diddy, dum, dum, dum. Hand in hand, more monkeys come. Many more fingers, many more thumbs. Many more monkeys, many more drums. Millions of fingers, millions of thumbs. Millions of monkeys drumming on drums. Dum diddy, dum, dum, dum. The end. I hope you enjoyed that book. I think Mrs. Dobler and Miss Zeke would also like that story because it works on keeping a steady beat. I hope you guys have a great Dr. Seuss week, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.